Hey Narcisa, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a 2-strand twist out using the Aunt Jackie's collection. I've already co-washed my hair, did a deep condition, put my sealing butter, and now we're about to get straight into the styling using the Don't Shrink Me Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. So if you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. So I'm back. I've done the majority of my head. I just have this last portion to do. So I'm going to do it on camera. All right, let's get into it. Hey guys, so I'm back and my hair is completely done. The only thing I'm going to do now is add some like edge tamer to my edges. So. Okay, so my edges are all done. I'm actually going to add a little more water to my hair because it started to dry and I just want these curls to really be tight and cute. Alright you guys, and there you have it, my 2-strand twist using the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed line. I didn't show you in the beginning, I realized, but these are the products. So like I said, I started off with the Purify Me Moisturizing Co-Wash Cleanser. I don't know if you guys, you can't see it. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but this is it. Then I went ahead and used their Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. Really good. Followed by the Hydration Sealing Butter, which is basically like a leave-in. And for styling, I use the Don't Strengthen Me Elongating Curl Gel. And when I'm ready to take it out and wear it as a 2-strand twist out, I will be using the Soft All Over Multi-Purpose Oil. So if you haven't, be sure to give this product line a try. It's really good. My hair is 4B, 4C, so yeah, if you're a 4B, 4C kind of girl, then I highly suggest this product line. A huge thanks to Aunt Jackie's for sponsoring today's video. As always, God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.